So you have a Boloup account and you want to change your country on your Boloup account, but you're unable to do that. In this video, I'm going to help you to fix that, and you'll be able to change your country on your Boloup account, even if you had already done creating the account. So looking right here is my Boloup account. I actually got a comment from one of my video where someone actually asked me on how to change a country on Boloup. So that was why I'm actually making this video for that person and also every other person that needs the solution. So looking right here on the screen is the home page of my Boloup account. Now the next step you need to take here in order for you to actually change your country is to click on the me button at the bottom of your screen. So basically at the top right corner you can see the pen icon right there. If you click on that like this and scroll down a little bit, now looking right here you can see country. You can see that the country here is Nigeria, and if you try to click on it, just as you would have clicked on birthday like this, and you'd be able to change your birthday, but clicking on country like this, it is actually just gray and you won't be able to click on it. Now this is just because Boloup don't allow you to change your country after you are done creating an account. So in order for you to be able to change your country, you need to create another account and input the country that you want to use for that account. So if you're already done creating your own account just as mine like this, and maybe you have a lot of coins already on your account and you don't want to lose the account by maybe creating another account, this is what you can simply do. You can simply go back to your home page like this. So right here on your home page, scroll down a little bit downward and you'll be able to see this option of help. So you need to go ahead and click on that like this. Now right here you're going to see the option of report a problem at the bottom of your screen. So clicking on that like this, you'll be able to see problem type. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that like this. Now right here you can see where it says description. So basically what you need to input right here is this. Type in something like this: hello Boloup support, I would like to request that my Boloup account country be changed from. You need to input the current country of which your account is on. So mine is on Nigeria, so I'm going to input Nigeria. So looking right here, it says hello Boloup support, I would like to request that my Boloup account country be changed from Nigerian to United States. Please make the change for me. Let me know if you need any more details from me. Alright, so this is it. So right here you can see upload a photo. You need to screenshot that part where the country is actually showing but it is gray and you are unable to click on it. So you can just screenshot that place and then input the photo right here, or any photo that describes why you really want to change the country. Once you do that, go ahead and input your contact info, that is your number or WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram. You can just input that right here. So you need to input your account number as well and then go ahead and click on submit. So once you input your account number, then you can now go ahead and click on submit. So once you do that, just wait for some days, either 24 to 48 hours, and Boloup is actually going to get back to you. So this is basically the only method you can actually follow in order for you to be able to change your country or region on Boloup. That is if you don't want to create another account. So hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. Now do it, hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel on Ask Daniel Fix. See you on the next one.